Okay, one of the ways that I make my fake baby milk for the Reborn baby dolls, we got a bottle. I've already sealed this nipple. The nipple is sealed on this bottle. And then I got this Miracle Milk off of eBay. I really don't like this too much, but I still use it since I have it. I don't leave it in the bottles long because they get the bottles cloudy. I'll show you guys on another video what I use now. But I use these for my personal babies. But I don't use this in my bottles that I send home with the mommy. And some water. Okay, so we're going to make her a bottle so we can get ready to feed her. Okay. So I'm only going to do about 2 ounces because she don't really drink a lot. She's a preemie Reborn baby doll. So got the water, and then only do a couple of drops, and you keep adding the drops to the color that you want it. So we'll add just a little bit more. Okay. So this is what the milk looks like, and then we're gonna shake it up. And you see how it's a little still looks a little watery. So all you got to do is add some more in there to make it look more like milk. So we're going to add a few more drops. You ready to eat, girl? You ready to eat, mama? And again, this is called Miracle Milk, and I got it off of eBay. And I think, yeah, that look like milk. Did that look like milk, y'all? Mm-hmm. That look like milk. All righty. Let's get her fed. Is you good, mama? Yes. She tearing this bottle up, y'all. Yes, she is. Baby. You good? Yeah. She's so tiny, y'all. Look. Girl, can I have some? It's almost gone, y'all. Girl, you is tearing this milk up. Just greedy. Yes, you is. Yes, you is. It's almost gone, y'all. How much she drunk so far? She drunk about, we had 2 ounces, y'all. She drunk about 1 ounce so far. I think you done drunk it all, mama. Yes, you did. She done drunk it all, y'all. Look at that. Oh, that milky wilky. She drunk about 1.5 ounces. Okay, come on. Let's get you burp, girl.
Hey, if y'all want to see any more of the Reborn baby doll role plays, click over here or click to this video.